Top 7 Online Earning Sites to Generate Side Income in 2023. 7. Swagbucks. This website started in 2016, and in just a couple of years, it has become one of the best money-earning websites. There are no special skills required to start earning money through this app. All you have to do is see videos on YouTube and browse online shopping websites. The best part is that when you sign up for their free account, they give you a $10 welcome bonus. 6. Freelancer.com. This is a great website for people looking for jobs as a freelancer, as here you would be able to get all sorts of jobs easily and get a decent amount of money. You can select the niche in which you wish to do the job as per your skill set and apply for it. It is a reliable and trustworthy platform and has fewer or no complaints from employers and employees. 5. Fiverr. It is a freelancing website where you can get any type of job, and you get a good amount of money as the minimum pay starts from $5. Here you can get any type of job such as translations, logo designing, graphic designing, audio editing, etc. On this site, people upload jobs, and you can apply for them and put the amount you are willing to work for. 4. Shutterstock. It is one of the best stock photography websites to help monetize your photography skills. Photographers can upload photos for free. To go with this platform is quite easy and quite profitable over time. Copyright to your creativity is retained. For every download your stock of photos gets, you receive a royalty, which results in an increase in your profits. 3. Upwork. Upwork is a global freelancing online earning site trusted and used by millions of users. It is one of the most genuine online earning site options to start and earn a high-paying gig online for their skills. One can even land a full-time job, as this is one of the most trusted websites by managers. The big-sized project with a high budget is present on the website, so you can earn a significantly higher amount of money online. 2. Amazon. It is the most trusted online earning site, in trend, and leading e-commerce websites over the globe. It has a huge variety of items a consumer can choose to buy, and a huge variety of options for sellers to sell. To start selling on Amazon, you just need to register for the seller account. Once registered, you can upload your products, and that's all. What all things Amazon takes care of for you, delivery and logistic part are taken care of by Amazon itself. 1. YouTube. People are making millions using YouTube. There are tons of YouTube channels on various topics. It can be thus inferred that is one of the best online earning sites options. YouTubers earning more than $100,000 rose by 40%, and earning 5 figures rose by 50% in the past 3 years. But choosing a certain niche to base your content on is crucial if you want to be successful. Hence, try and make such videos which your viewers would be interested in, or they are relatable to the masses. To get more similar videos, please like, comments, share, and subscribe us.